Ditutto KWGT is a popular Android application designed for customizing home screen widgets using the KWGT Custom Widget Maker framework. This app empowers users to create visually appealing and personalized widgets that display information such as time, date, weather, and system stats, allowing for a unique and tailored home screen experience. Typically, Ditutto KWGT offers a diverse collection of pre-designed widget templates that users can easily modify according to their preferences. It features an intuitive interface that facilitates customization, enabling adjustments to colors, fonts, shapes, and sizes without requiring extensive design skills. The app also supports dynamic elements, allowing widgets to update in real time, providing a functional and aesthetically pleasing addition to any Android device. With its emphasis on design and personalization, Ditutto KWGT is favored by users who appreciate the opportunity to express their individuality through their device's appearance while enhancing usability.